Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Metatrader 4. So all you have to do is log into your trading account, open the broker's mobile application or the website. Click on the login option offered by your broker. Enter the MT4 login credentials that your broker offered you. The login credentials generally include your email and a password. Some brokers might even give you a username and a password. Once you enter the MT4 login credentials, you can click on Submit. Click on the Withdraw Funds option. Now, the dashboard will offer you the Withdraw Funds option. Clicking on this option, you will be able to initiate a withdrawal request. Now enter the withdrawal amount. Traders would need to enter the withdrawal amount that they wish to withdraw. Then choose a payment method. Making a Metatrader 4 withdrawal requires a trader to choose a payment method. Trader must remember this. Some payments methods might involve a withdrawal fee. Traders must use the same payment method that they use to fund their trading accounts. Their payment method should be working. Payment methods such as bank transfers, credit cards, debit cards, or electronic wallets should belong to a trader. Brokers do not support third-party withdrawals, so a trader cannot request a Metatrader 4 withdrawal in someone else's account or card. Now submit your request. Finally, traders can submit their Metatrader withdrawal request. As soon as a trader submits his withdrawal request, the broker will process it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.